So this is where the fruit is brought in, packed and distributed to the customer. So the tractor's just pulled up. We're going to unload the tractor where it will come in here ready for the glass chilling process.
So what are the checks that she's going to do?
She'll be looking at all sorts of things from size, bricks, which is the sugar level of the fruit, to make sure it eats well, and then make sure that we give a good guide to the pack house and back to the grower.
Is there an ideal size for a blackberry?
Yeah, so the Berry Gardens Driscoll's Victoria blackberry is about double the size of your standard hedgerow blackberry. It's more about the size of the drupelet as well. That's where you get all the flavour from.
Okay, go on, you're going to have to explain to me. What's a drupelet?
So the drupelet is the bobbles
The
on
bobbles.
a blackberry.
Okay, so the bigger the bobbles, the better.
Absolutely.
So once it's all been checked, then where does it go to?
So then it goes into our blast chilling pods here.
It smells amazing in here. And what temperature does the fruit come in at?
Because it's grown in polytunnels, the heat's quite intense. So the actual core temperature of this fruit could be 20 to 25 degrees. We can get that down to an ideal 3 degrees within 20 minutes.